Hey everybody, it's Ian the Off Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to be making an ATC for the Art Sherpa ATC swap group. If you're not a member of that, make sure to head down in the description below. I have all the details in there for how you can be a part of the ATC swap, whether you want to just swap one ATC or if you want to become a member of the ATC group, so that way you get 3 months already paid and you don't have to worry about including postage. If you are part of that paid membership, you don't have to worry about a postage stamp, a loose postage stamp inside of that ATC. Also down in the description you'll also find awesome video linkage to other people who are on the design team, such as Stephanie Bergeron, Mark Bergeron, of course, the Art Sherpa, and Taz as well. So make sure to go check out all the ATCs that are happening over on those channels and those social media links. Lots to get out of the way at first, but today the theme, if you haven't already checked it out, is worth celebrating. And since we're in June, it is Pride Month for people in the LGBTQ+ community. So today I wanted to celebrate that by creating an ATC that represents that right here on Pride. So let's go ahead and put this ATC together. Starting out for my ATC, I'm going to be starting off here on my iPad. I have Cricut Design Space loaded up, and this is the ATC that I have designed for my card. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these pieces out on my Cricut Explore Air and Explore, which one is this one? This was the Air 2, excuse me. Cricut Explore Air 2, and I always forget to add that Air 2 part in. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get this cut out and all drawn up. I'm gonna have the Cricut draw the Pride onto some, I think I'm gonna do Neenah Solar White. No, I'm gonna do Bristol. That's what I'm gonna do. I can't make up my mind. I'm gonna do it on Bristol cardstock, and then we'll meet you back here once this is all cut and drawn and ready to go. Okay, I've gotten all my little cutouts done, as you can see here. And now I'm going to color in the Pride. Not exactly sure how I'm going to color this in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course there's 5, but I have 6 colors to use. So I'll just kind of play around with it and see what I got. I'm going to use my Distress markers from Tim Holtz, and we'll see how this works. Well, I am not very good at math, and so I didn't quite get that the way I wanted it to, but I think you get the idea of what I was going for. So now it's time to go ahead and glue all of our little people, or all of the little people, onto this card to finish it out. So I'm gonna grab, I haven't decided. I have a new product and I don't know if I want to pull it out for that or if I want to wait. I'll probably just use my art glitter glue since it's the one I reach for most often. So let's go ahead and glue these little people onto their spots. Okay guys, here is this month's ATC. Pride is always my favorite time of year. I love seeing all the rainbows taking over social media and of course out in real life. So I really enjoy getting to experience Pride each month. It kind of refills my cup of faith and a lot of great things. So I'm always happy when June rolls around. I think that's going to do it for today's video. Quick and short and easy, but I definitely like the result that came out of today's ATC, and hopefully one of you out there will get my ATC. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, let YouTube know that you like my video, and then hopefully YouTube will share it across YouTube land. Also, if you're not already, hit that button down below that says subscribe to my channel and get great updates every time I post a new video or go live by clicking the bell notification icon. Also, if you're new to my channel because you came over from the Art Sherpa swap group, you might want to hit that subscribe button and check out all the other greeting cards and fun crafts that I make here on my channel. You can also check out my social media links. Those are down in the description below, so make sure to go check those out. Get social with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and a whole bunch of other places. Check them all out and say hello. I hope everybody has a great day. Remember guys, normal's just a setting on the dryer. Bye!